Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to share something in Canva. And this is so simple, guys. Alright, first of all, I just made a very beautiful banner and I want to share this with someone. What you can do is the next thing. Right here you have the option share, and you can share it by just typing down someone's email address, and then he can join with that link, and then he joined this project right here. You can also copy this link right here, allow view access, and then go to here, send it to someone on WhatsApp or whatever you like, and then that person can look your banner in a view access on Canva. Then the other thing is by just downloading it and then send this project to someone. But the best way is by just filling in the email address just right here and then send it to that person. So this is exactly how you share something in Canva. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.